She's been a very big hit in on YouTube in the last 1 week. Okay, www.youtube Pyramid Train. Okay, it's crossing 50,000 very soon, and it's not about hits or something, but it's about the way she expresses herself. Okay, so friends, our question.
Arvind.
Arvind asked a very good question. Negative or positive, bad or good or whatever it is, he was asking. ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಕೆಟ್ಟದ್ದು ಅಹಂಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ego and so. But ನಾನು as an organizer, as a speaker, as a so-called head of institutions and led like pyramid movement, thousands of people. We meet people like her. And in your business, we meet people who are almost rakshasas. Please ask Vinayak. He will tell. Such cutthroat people I meet. Cutthroat. I work with them. I have to associate with them because I have to do business. You can't run away from them, madam. And he is blocked in a PSU and he is in a big level. He is in a ceremony. I put ಮೇಲವರು ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೆಳಗವರು ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೈಡವರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Everybody permutation combinations are different. But I am a free bird. I am a boss of my company called Zen Group. But still I have my responsibilities on my head. Okay? He may not have that responsibility. At 6 o'clock he may forget his company. But at 6 o'clock I start thinking about my company. Up to the whole night. So the parameters are different. The good. Rakshasa jate irtiva. Am I become a Rakshasa? No. Okay. Being with people like spiritual people for last 25 years, we are identified with these people. This is my personal life. ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕವಾಗಿ ನೀವೇನು ಆಗಿರ್ತೀರೋ ಅದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. Don't whatever you do in profession, you're forced to do it. You can't say I don't meet him. Why you worry about what your supply is a non-vegetarian or some corrupt fellow? It is none of your business. You can't say who comes in front of you. If the robber comes, thief may come, rowdy may come, rakshasa will come, all kind of bad people will come, corrupt people will come. That means you can't filter them. But what you can do is, what we are discussing can act as a bullet. They can't enter into our energies. Please understand, it is like a bullet. It is creating a spiritual sort of energy in you. They can't enter into it. In fact, they may get transformed if your aura is strong. So I have seen, because I work with her, but I work with other kind of people, so-called negative. I have to attend some of the get-togethers. I can't even express because they are so close to me. We're childhood friends. Okay, you can't. Okay, kind of they call that is fun. But I call it as, okay, the soul is not satisfied. It is still on a physical level, drinking, eating, singing, dancing. That's still, that is bad. But still the soul needs more nourishment. ಅಂಥವ್ರು ನಾವು ಬುದ್ಧಿವಾದ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೈಲೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂಥವ್ರು ಬುದ್ಧಿವಾದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಕೆಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ದೇ ಇರೋ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುಯಾಲಿಟಿ, ಗುಡ್ ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀಯ ನೀನು. ಸ್ಟುಪಿಡ್ ಫಿಲಾಸಫಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್. When I went to met Osho in 1989, I saw him. The day I came back, I was just 24 years. People called me, I have a gone case. ನಾನು ಹುಚ್ಚ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತಿಕ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೀನು ಏನು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ನೀನು ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. None of like that has happened today. In fact, they have reached a dead end today for the people who are told. Okay, they have reached, and at 50, I think I am looking at not at a bigger future, but the long way to go. Okay, I can reach out crores of people, lakhs of people, and I am sorry to those people who thought that the body is the end of life. ಸರ್ವ ಅವಯವಗಳು ನಿಷ್ಕ್ರಿಯ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ. ಇದೇನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ನಾನು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, 60 ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ. Sorry to all those people who I wish them they come back. I am not telling I am not money minded. You see in my business, why you call it as money minded? So when I give service, profit is the motive. When I do this service, Service is the motive, not profit. Okay? See, there is a
That's right.
difference. You understand, both coexist. When hot is there, cold also exists. When good, bad also exists. Why you call it good? Because of bad. Current, light is there because of darkness. Don't, you have to. So, Duryodhana andre important. Yakandre Arjuna importance badiye Duryodhana. Ravana has become, Rama becomes relevant because of Ravana. So you can't negate these characters. I should call it, Arvind is not so powerful energies, powerful. Powerful ego, not powerful egos. Ego is needed. It is, positive egos are needed. The body posture of Narendra Modi when he went to election was positive. He was not overconfident. You got it? He was very positive. The body language has changed because accepting the ground realities. Good has changed. Okay? He's no more the same. Okay? He's understanding. Talking from outside is easy. Sitting on the hot seat is not easy.
That's a testing time.
Okay?
Yeah.
He needs many more years to clear up the mess.
Full of
That is okay. Let us wish. I have not belonged to any party. Okay? Let us. These are all coexist. Anger idre alli ಪ್ರೀತಿನೂ ಅಂತಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Anger ಬರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕೆಲವು ಸತಿ show anger to your child, whether at least act as if you are angry so that you get corrected. Don't get confused. Okay? If it goes out of your heart, samadhana, danda, everything works. Okay? Samadhana ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, convince ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, communicate ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ರಾಜಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, then there is always a way. That's how I have built my organization. I love my people, I love my employees, I love my children, but at the same time not easy to get along. Sorry. You are answerable. You are based on guidelines. You have a constitution to follow. If you go again, if you are dishonest, you finish. I don't allow any dishonesty with us. Okay, same thing. You have freedom. I will give you freedom. I give you freedom, but don't you misuse it. So that's it. You tell your children, I will give you freedom, but don't misuse it.
And if they're doing it, then they are responsible. Give them the responsibility also. Okay, you do them and you face the consequences.
That's all.
Simple as that.
Don't worry.
So now
ನಾವೇನು 100 ವರ್ಷ 1000 ವರ್ಷ ಬದುಕಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬದುಕಿದ 100 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಥರ ಬದುಕಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಕಲಾಂ ಅವ್ರ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ದು 30-40 ಸಿಂಡ್ರೋಮ್ಗಳು ಬಂದು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಅದು 30 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು 30 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇ ಅದು ಇನ್ನು 30 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಉದುರೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. So let us not get into all those syndromes that because of my property I still alive. After you die, they'll all wait for your memory to go off. They'll break that down or even sell it off. I'll tell you one social problem because we work in villages and cities very closely. A counseling center called Safe Hands. We are founded in 2001. All the villages have become lonely houses. They're all youngsters. ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏಕಾಂತವಾದ ಮನೆಗಳಾಗಿದೆ. ಗಂಡ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಏಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ youngsters are all shifted to the nearby cities, going for small jobs. All the work, the so-called little educated, are going to some jobs. Agriculture has taken a back seat. ಇವತ್ತು ವ್ಯವಸಾಯ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ 10 ಎಕರೆ ಜಮೀನಿದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That's why in my family, I myself go and stand reading that. So it's not easy. So this is the social problem. What do you say? Talk about other things. And in Bangalore, a lot of people, he would have gone to NASA. I told him. He remained in, Kalamji remained in ISRO. He didn't go to NASA. Okay? I said he would have become a billionaire, but he remained in billion hearts.
A short movie.
Okay?
Kalam short.
So the thing is, so let us not discriminate good or bad. Both will be there. Okay? She was talking about the mask. The mask, Mukhavada, mask andre. No, what is called as personality. personality and the development, I come from a personality development course called MILT. I don't know how many people know about MILT, McGrath Institute of Leadership Training, in 1989, okay, by Aparesh Acharya and Anthony Williams, called Z. 10 years. Sukhabodhananda, 10 years. I worked hand in hand. I keep on repeating, telling this. They developed my personality, and also a little bit of character. But I understood later, character also needed to be developed. So I started giving the personality a back seat. Okay? Power of expression is a personality, but being happy is character. Okay? I've seen people can talk so beautifully, but they are not happy. So we decided, drop everything. Drop your ego, drop your personality, drop your masks. I am that, I am this, I am...
Even the goodness that you
drop. So
that has to be dropped.
let us not get confused with the personality development. Sales training is, hello, how are you? Yeah, fine. There's so much of sales he has done. Let us give a big hand, a standing ovation and good Masalli Madi. That's your part of business. Fine. But are you happy here? If you're not happy, please question it. Bring alignment. At the end of the day, if you don't get to sleep, maybe you have done something wrong.
Yeah.
Okay. So one story I want to always say, because it is in my book also. Kannada